I've loved watermelon since I was a kid, but I'm gonna show you how to serve it differently, pair it intentionally, and make it something you'd expect on a restaurant menu. I'm Dr. Aman, a physician who developed food allergies in adulthood, and I like to create recipes that everyone can enjoy. Watermelon is so refreshing, and this is a version that I keep coming back to. So let me show you how to take this watermelon to the next level. I'm gonna start by cutting this watermelon in the middle. Look at that beautiful red interior. Now what I'm gonna do is cut this up into bite-sized pieces. Watermelon doesn't just taste good, it's a rich source of L-Citrulline, which is an amino acid that leads to increased production of nitric oxide in the blood vessels. That can translate to a reduction in blood pressure for those with hypertension. Both the flesh and the rind, which is the light green to white part between the red and the peel, contain L-citrulline, but the rind actually contains a higher concentration. We're not going to use it today, but you can absolutely use it if you want. I'm gonna finish cutting it up till I have 6 cups, so then we can complete the salad. Now I've got 6 cups of watermelon cut into bite-sized pieces, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours so it chills nicely. And that's what's gonna give you that refreshing, crisp bite once we've made this salad. Our watermelon has just come out of the fridge, and now you're gonna see how easy this is to put together. We have 1 tablespoon of olive oil that I'm just going to drizzle over the top, and then 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped mint. Mint has such a refreshing flavor, it just takes it to the next level. And then 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Now we're gonna toss it lightly. And that's it. Now I'm gonna plate it up and we're gonna enjoy. And here we have our beautiful watermelon salad. Now it is just perfect like this, but if you wanna add another level of contrast, you can add just a little bit of flaky sea salt. So I'm gonna do that with a light sprinkle over the top. And this just smells so wonderful, I can't wait to try it. That is so good. Of course, you get the sweetness of the watermelon, and it just seems to be perfectly paired with a hint of citrus. The olive oil rounds it out, and the mint adds another refreshing burst. I know you're gonna love this. I hope you share it, because there's room for everyone at the table. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Which is an amino acid that leads to, okay, this is too hard. Kids, don't play with your food. So I'm gonna go put it in the fridge, which is literally what I just said, but I said it again. Should I say it again?